Hello everyone, this is Leena from SINOMADA. We have exported construction machinery for 17 years, serving different clients from all over the world, over 200 countries. Today, I'd like to introduce the smallest BOBCAT skid steel loaders, S70. The BOBCAT S70, an ultra-compact machine built for extreme working conditions. We can see the width is only 0.9 meter and the height is only 1.8 meter. The S70 can easily pass through doorways, aisles, stairs, and other low spaces, as well as work under low floors and even move between floors in an elevator. S70 adopts the BOBCAT quick change system. It can easily switch a variety of attachments to meet the application of various working conditions, which is the ideal choice for build construction, landscaping, and other applications. The S70 travels at a speed of 10 km per hour, equipped with a 23.8 horsepower Kubota engine. More power, more lifting power, more efficiency. This is how BOBCAT loaders help you outperform the competition. The S70 is rated at 362 kilograms. It easily meets a variety of small workplace applications. One S70 is equivalent to 10 laborers. When unloaded, it has a weight distribution of 70% in the rear and 30% in the front. This excellent weight distribution enables stable balance and easy steering. More importantly, it minimizes fuel consumption and power requirements, while maximizing driveline and tire life. Unlike other brands, BOBCAT equipment can be served without lifting the lift arm. Engine inspections and the fluid refills, as well as filter and battery servicing, can be done easily and thoroughly. Despite being a small size, the operating space is comfortable. The S70 cab has a wide field vision. We can say goodbye to the blind spot. At the same time, it adopts professional anti-falling object cab. Even in the event of an indoor collapse, we can get out easily. If you want to know more about this excellent skid steel loader, please contact me by this following. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.